Everybody loves jelly desserts when they look like this. In a bowl, add 2 3/4 tablespoons of strawberry jelly, 1 cup of warm water, and stir to dissolve the jelly. Then add 1 cup of ice-cold water and stir. Oil a plastic bowl. The oil will help us to easily remove the jelly later. Add the jelly in there and leave it in the fridge for 2 hours or until it hardens. In addition to the strawberry flavor, repeat the process with pineapple, lemon, and tutti frutti. When the jellies harden, dice them. Then oil a glass baking pan and place the jellies inside. Try this jelly dessert at home, then write here what you think. I'm sure it's going to be super tasty and everybody will love it. Place the baking pan in the fridge while starting the next part of the recipe. In a blender, add 1 cup of cream cheese, 2 cups of condensed milk, 2 1/4 cups of milk, 1 3/4 tablespoons of gelatin, hydrated according to the instructions on the package, and blend. When smooth, turn the blender off and pour the cream on the jelly. Leave it again in the fridge for 2 hours or until it hardens. And our jelly dessert is ready. Look how beautiful it is. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.